name was mysteriously bumped to the top of the advanced training list. Get your ass down to the training center and report to drill instructor Sharp ASAP.
All right, let's go.
Where are you from, soldier? All the way down.
Okay.
What's behind this door? What are you trying to hide? Oh, maybe this one.
Check your zone.
How could this happen to me?
We'll keep you back.
It's like he turns off the microphone and speaks like psychically through the glass. I don't know why this shit's so funny to me. I can't fucking handle it.
I'm sorry, Corporal. This is a restricted area.
What's a restricted area? I'm supposed to be here. Ghost? Did I just get shot with a ghost shotgun? Okay, thanks for the shells. Oh, listen to that. That sounds amazing. What happens if I use this one? The lovely sounds of Half-Life. Cool, thanks for throwing your head at me. Oh great, now the sound waves are stacking. That's gonna get annoying real fast.
Are you trying to embarrass me? Proceed to the next area. Come on, double time.
Where is that coming from? He's not here. Unless he's crawling. Maybe he's crawling where the cement is. And he's like, doesn't want to be spotted. He's like a child. His corpse is just back there. Comes back to life. Come on, let me out. All I did was kill the drill instructor. You know, my neighbors are probably like, what the fuck is going on? Oh, right, now it's a game over because they actually gave me a weapon in this part of the game.
Go, go, go! Very good, soldier. Move on for your next phase of training.
What happens if I go like this a whole bunch? ED_Alec, no free edits.
Your weapon is your best friend.
Perfect.
To receive medical attention, simply hold down your use key and the medic will apply first aid.
Use key?
What's the medic?
Is there a use key on my power armor? Like, imagine you're going to Hannaford to do shopping, and you're trying to reach something you can't reach. It's like a loaf of bread or something. I can't reach it. Have you tried using the use key?
Come to the radio and use it, soldier.
Well, how did you survive?
I'm sure you'll be a credit to your unit. Now report.
I didn't do anything. That just ended abruptly.
Hey man, you smell that?
Smell what? Smells like another babysitting job to me, man. What just blew up in my face? I think I'm actually dead. Like mob now. I broke the book and it turned into a slightly smaller book. Yes! That's what I wanted. Oh, man, that sounds good. Oh. No. Stay there. Yes! I don't know what he was scared about. Nothing can hurt him. This is pretty funny. I'm just gonna go around here, turn off the power, come around this way, open the door. What killed him? And look how he died. One can only hope you lead a life wherein you die in that pose. So if I'm an old man, like I'm like 78 years old and I'm dying of testicular cancer, I hope that I die in that pose.
What's that?